Good morning children. In the previous class, we have learnt about the multiplication of fractions. Today let us learn about the division of fractions. Today let us learn division of fraction with a whole number. Okay children? Today let us learn about the division of fraction with a whole number. Let us do practice zone 8 in page number 83 textbook. Okay children? Let us do practice zone 8 in page number 83 textbook. Divide the following. Divide the following. Divide the following. Let us do the A sum. 5 by 2 divided by 3. 5 by 2 divided by 3. Here 5 by 2 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. Okay children, 5 by 2 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. So now let us write 1 under 3. Let us write 1 under 3. Let us assume 1 under 3. So 3 by 1 is always 3. Now what we have to do is, we have to write down the reciprocal of whole number. Okay children? After writing 1 under 3, you have to write the reciprocal of whole number. So, reciprocal means you have to write the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So, 5 by 2 into 1 by 3. So, first we have to write the reciprocal of whole number and then we have to multiply the reciprocal with fraction. Okay children? First you have to write down the reciprocal of whole number. First you have to write down the reciprocal of whole number. Then we have to multiply the reciprocal with the fraction. Okay children? Here 5 ones are 5 by. So after you know how to multiply the fractions. You have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 5 ones are 5, 2 threes are 6. So the 5 by 2 divided by 3 is 5 by 6. Did you understand children? First what you have to do? You have to write down the reciprocal of the whole number. Here the whole number is 3. You have to assume that there is 1 under 3 and you have to write down the reciprocal of this whole number. So the reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. So reciprocal means writing the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So here I have written the reciprocal of 3 by 1 which is 1 by 3. So after writing the reciprocal, I will multiply the fractions. So multiplication of fraction means you have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 5 ones are 5, 2 threes are 6. Okay children, did you understand? Now let us do the B sum. Now let us do the B sum. Now let us do the B sum. 8 by 7 divided by 6. 8 by 7 divided by 6. Here we have to assume that there is 1. Now what we have to do? Now we have to write down the reciprocal of this whole number. So and 8 by 7 and the reciprocal of 6 by 1 is 1 by 6. The reciprocal of 6 by 1 is 1 by 6. After writing the reciprocal, you have to multiply both the fractions. So now you have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So before multiplying, let us reduce the fraction. Okay children? You can reduce the fraction after multiplication or you can reduce and multiply the fraction. So here 2 goes in 8 and 6, 2 table will go. So 2 goes in 6 3 times and 2 goes in 8 4 times. Now let us multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 4 ones are 4, 7 threes are 21. Okay children? Now let us do the C sum. 11 by 26 divided by 4 by 21. First let us write down the reciprocal of, sorry children, I have written the sum wrongly. 11 by divided by 22. 11 by 26 divided by 22. Let us assume 1 here. Now let us write down the reciprocal of the whole number. So 11 by 26, 1 by 22. Reciprocal of 22 by 1 is 1 by 22. Now here you have to multiply these two fractions. Now you can first simplify the fraction and then multiply, or you can multiply the fractions and then you can reduce the fractions. So let us first reduce the fraction and then multiply. Okay children. So 11 table goes in 11 one time. 11 table goes in 22 two times. Now I have reduced the fractions. Now I am multiplying the fractions. 1 ones are 1. So 26 into 2. 26 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So it is 1 by 52. It is 1 by 52. Okay children. It is 1 by 52. Now let us do the dsum. Now let us do the dsum. Okay children. By 7 divided by 62. 4 3 by 7 divided by 62. Here a mixed fraction is given and a whole number is given. First we have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then we have to write down the reciprocal of the whole number and then multiply the fractions. Okay children. 4 7s are 21. 4 7s are 21. Sorry children. 4 7s are 28. Sorry children, 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 is 31. So 31 by 7. Okay children. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. 31 by 7. So first I have changed the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now I am going to write the reciprocal of the whole number. The reciprocal of 62 by 1 is 1 by 62. So I have written the reciprocal of the whole number, and now I am going to multiply both the fractions. Okay children. 31 into 1 is 31. Okay children, here let us first reduce the fraction and then multiply. First let us reduce the fraction and then multiply. Okay children. 31 table goes in 31 one time. 31 table goes in 62 two times. Okay children. 31 2s are 62. So now let us multiply the fractions. 1 1s are 1. 7 2s are 14. Okay children. What I have done, first I have changed the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. 31 by 7. Then I have written the reciprocal of the whole number, which is 1 by 61. And then I have multiplied both the fractions. Okay children. So before multiplying the fractions, what I have done, first I have reduced the fractions. So 31 table goes in 31 one time and in 62 two times. After reducing the fractions, now I am going to multiply the fractions. 1 1s are 1, 7 2s are 14. Okay children, this is the way of multiplying the fraction with a whole number. This is the way of multiplying the fraction with a whole number. Okay children, now let us do the practice zone 9. Let us do practice zone 9. Practice zone 9, page number 84, textbook. Okay children, let us do the practice zone 9 in page number 84, textbook. Here we have to do the division of fraction with fraction. Previously we have done division of fraction with a whole number. Now we have to do the division of fraction. Division of a fraction with a fraction. Now we have to do division of a fraction with a fraction. So let us first divide 4 by 3 and 3 by 2. Okay children. In the previous practice zone, we have learned how to divide a fraction with a whole number. Now let us know how to divide a fraction with a fraction. So first what you have to do is, you have to write down the reciprocal of second fraction. You have to write down the reciprocal of second fraction and then you have to multiply it with the first fraction. Did you understand, children? First you have to write down the reciprocal of second fraction. So the reciprocal of second fraction is 2 by 3 is, so 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So the reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. First I have written the reciprocal. First I have written the reciprocal of 3 by 2. The reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. After writing the reciprocal of the second fraction, I will multiply the reciprocal with the first fraction. So into 2 by 3. 4 by 3 into 2 by 3. Okay children, here here it is not possible to reduce this fraction, so I am going to multiply the fractions. 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. Okay children, this is the way of multiplying a fraction with a fraction. Sorry, dividing a fraction with a fraction. First what you have to do? First you have to write down the reciprocal of the second fraction. Then you have to multiply it with the first fraction. So here the reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. The first fraction is 4 by 3. Now I am multiplying 3 by 2 with, now I am going to multiply 4 by 3 with 2 by 3. Okay children. So 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. So this is the way to divide a fraction with a fraction. Okay children, now let us do the practice zone 9 in page number 84 textbook. Now let us do the practice zone 9. Okay children. So divide the following. Divide the following. So the A question is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5. What you have to do? First you have to write down the reciprocal of second fraction and then multiply it with the first fraction. So 1 by 2 into reciprocal of second fraction 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. Now let us multiply the fractions. 1 5s are 5 by 2 1s are 2. So 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5 is 5 by 2. Okay children. Now let us do the B sum. Now let us do the B sum. By 3 divided by 4 by 7. So first what you have to do? You have to write down the reciprocal of second fraction and then multiply it with the first fraction. 5 by 3 into reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4. Reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4. After writing the reciprocal, you have to multiply both the fractions. For multiplying the fractions, you have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. You can first reduce the fractions and then multiply, or you multiply the fraction and then you can reduce them. Here, no table, these numbers won't come in any table, in the same table. Sorry children, these numbers won't come in the same table, so they won't get cancelled. So let us multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 5 7s are 35 by 3 4s are 12. So the answer is 35 by 12. Okay children. Now let us do the next one, which is the practice zone 10. So did you understand children? This is the way of dividing a fraction with a fraction. This is the way of dividing a fraction with a fraction. So now let us do the practice zone 10. in page number 84. Okay children. Now let us do practice zone 10 in page number 84. Divide the following. So division of a mixed fraction. Division of a mixed fraction with a fraction. Division of a mixed fraction with a fraction. Now let us learn how to divide a mixed fraction with a fraction. Okay children. Now let us learn how to divide a mixed fraction with a fraction. So 1 by 3 divided by 4 by 6. 1 by 3 divided by 4 by 6. First you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. First you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Write down the reciprocal of the second fraction and then multiply with the first fraction. First let us convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 ones are 3 plus 1. So 4. 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 6. So after converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction, let us write the reciprocal of second fraction. So the reciprocal of second fraction is 6 by 4. The reciprocal of second fraction is 6 by 4. So after writing the reciprocal of the fractions, let us multiply the fractions. Before multiplying the fractions, let us reduce the fraction. Here 4 table goes in 4 one time. 4 table goes in 4 one time. So now let us multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 1 6 are 6, 1 3 are 3. 1 6 are 6 and 1 3 are 3. So here 3 table goes in 3 one time and in 6 2 times. So the answer is 2. So the answer is 2. So this is the way of dividing a mixed fraction with a fraction. Okay children. Now let us do practice zone 10 in textbook. Now let us do the practice zone 10 in the textbook. Okay children. Divide the following. Divide the following. Let us do the A sum. 1 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 15. First what we have to do? We have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then we have to write down the reciprocal of second fraction. And then we have to multiply the reciprocal of second fraction with the first fraction. Okay children? First let us change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 3. So it is 8 by 5. Now let us write down the reciprocal of 7 by 15. The reciprocal of 7 by 15 is 15 by 7. So after writing the reciprocal, let us multiply both these fractions. So before multiplying the fractions, let us reduce the fraction and then multiply. So 5 table goes in 5 one time, 5 table goes in 15 3 times. So 8 3s are 24 and 1 7s are 7. So what I have done, first I have changed the mixed fraction into improper fraction. I have written the reciprocal of the second fraction and then I have multiplied with the first fraction. Before multiplying, first I have reduced the fractions and then I have multiplied the fractions. You can either multiply the fractions and then you can reduce the fractions. Okay children, this is the way of dividing the mixed fraction with a fraction. Okay children, all of you do the B sum for homework. All of you do B sum in practice zone 10 for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.